Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Alani just sent me a huge package, so let's unbox it and see what's in it. First, they sent me the new purple cotton candy drink. I'm really excited to try this. I am so excited about this. Oh my gosh. First, I got this cute t-shirt. I got this little mock neck from them. This is the front. Look how adorable this hat is. I cannot wait to wear it. They also sent me this cute bag with this keychain on it. That's so adorable. Look how cute these are. You can't forget the purple cotton candy. Cute little box. Oh, look how adorable that is. Thank you so much, Alani, for sending me the cutest package ever.